Hi, I'm Jack Lin. I've been making bonsai trees for 47 years. You are watching the second video of a 3-part series. I will link part 3 down below when it is ready. Today we will continue learning about the bonsai with a rock technique. This technique makes the bonsai tree look older, more expensive, and more interesting. You can use it on many other bonsai species. For example, Fukien Tea Tree and Mulberry. In this 3-part series, I will teach you everything you need to know. Before we get started, you can help my channel grow by hitting the subscribe and the bell notification button. This bell button is very important to me. Thank you. Let's start with this Fukien tea tree. It is a 2-month-old branch cutting. Let's take it out of the trailing part. Use the stick to remove the old soil. Then grab a rock and see which way is the best. The goal here is to merge the tree and rock, so it looks as natural as possible. If you haven't already, watch part 1 of this series to learn about rock selection. The best rocks for this technique are tall and thin. Next, use the wire to bind the tree to the rock. Make sure it is tight enough to keep them together. Too tight will damage the bark, so be careful. Make a few loops if you must. Tighten it with the gin spreader. Now the tree is bound to the rock. This tree is too tall, so I will make some cuttings from it. Trim off the bottom leaves because it will be in the soil. We don't want the leaves to die and rot under the soil. This can cause diseases. Now we have 2 cuttings. Let's plant this one into the part first. Just like that. Next, I'm going to plant these 2 cuttings with this rock. That's right, 2 in 1. When they grow up, they will make a single canopy of leaves over the rock. Again, use some wire to tie the trees to the rock. Plant it deep enough in the pot so it won't be off balance. There, that's it. Next, we have a mulberry. This is a 3-month-old branch cutting. It has already started to grow berries. The ants really like its smell. Just like last time, we need a tall and thin rock. This one is perfect. We are going to use the Bonsai with Rock technique again. Use the scissors to cut off the moss, but keep it so we can use it later. Moss makes the tree look older and more beautiful. It's also good at retaining moisture. Let's remove the old soil. Grab the rock and bind it to the tree. This seems like a good sign. Use the wire to tie them together. It is very important to use the correct wire. Learn more about this by reading my article. I will leave the link down below. You can use more wires to hold the tree. Make sure it is tight enough, but not enough to hurt the bark. Plant it in the training part, and that's it. It is important to put the newly planted tree onto a tray of water. Fresh akdama soil needs to be button watered these first few times. Bonsai trees are wonderful, but bonsai trees with rocks are even better. Part 3 of this video will be linked down below. I will see you there. By the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell button before you go. This bell button is very important to me. Thank you.